Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So recently I came across a fascinating conversation from Y Combinator featuring some heavy hitters like Garry Tan, George Friedman and others, and it honestly changed the way I think about coding and the future of software development. They were talking about something called vibe coding, a phrase originally coined by Andrej Karpathy, and the core idea is simple but radical. Instead of obsessing over every line of code, you embrace the vibe, let go a bit, and co create with AI. You prompt, you stir, and you vibe. At first, that sounds a little abstract, maybe even fluffy, but when you look deeper into how today's top funders are actually working, it's real. AI tools like Cursor, WindSurf, Claude, and GPT-4 aren't just helper anymore. They're co-developers. Y Combinator served the current funders in their latest batch, and what they found was jaw-dropping. 25% said over 95% of their code is written by AI. These aren't non-technical funders, they're highly skilled, but they handed off the keyboard to AI. And it's not just about speed, although speed is a huge part of it. One funder said what used to be a 10x speed up 6 months ago is now a 100x speed up. Imagine that you're not just writing code, you're directing it like a film. So, what's actually changing? Number one, the role of engineering is evolving. Funders are now identifying more as product people. The ability to code is becoming less about syntax and more about taste. What to build, how to build it, and how to iterate quickly. Being technical still matters, especially when debugging. But what sets people apart is their product sense. Number two, debugging is still a human job. Most AI tools are still terrible at debugging. You can't just say fix this and expect a perfect result yet. So your ability to read the code, understand what's happening under the hood, and spot where things went wrong, that's still gold. You need taste and judgment. AI can write code fast, but it doesn't know what's good or bad. That's on you, and it turns out your ability to review, steer, and refactor code intelligently is more important than writing every line yourself. What tools are funders using? Cursor was the big one last year. It's still popular, but new year uh, tools like WindSurf are gain ground because they can index your entire code base automatically. ChatGPT and Claude are still used, especially for reasoning and debugging. Some funders are even self hosting models to perfect sensitive IP. Models like Cloud 3, Opus, GPT-4, DeepSeek, and Gemini are becoming serious contenders. And what about hiring? This part really got me thinking. Most companies are still stuck in the old world, doing whiteboard interviews and testing for algorithmic skills. But if 95% of code is now written by AI, that approach feels outdated. We should be testing how well someone uses AI tools, their ability to debug and review code, and their product test their instincts for what user wants. And here's a wild stat: some new founders never even learn to code the traditional way. They learned with AI from the beginning. They're AI native coders. They have math or physics backgrounds, and they've just get it. Vibe coding lets them skip the classical CS path and go straight to building. So what stays the same? Even in this new world, two things still matter. Number one, deliberate practice. You can become a good enough engineer quickly with AI, but to be great, you need to put in focus, thoughtful hours. Number two, system thinking. Once your product scales, you'll hit real engineering problems. Vibe coding gets you from 0 to 1, but getting from 1 to a billion. That still takes architects and deep thinkers. Honestly, this is the biggest shift in coding since the invention of frameworks. We're not just optimizing development anymore. We're redefining what it means to be a developer. If you're not learning how to work with AI, you're going to get left behind, period. This isn't hype. It's not a trend. It's the new baseline. Vibe coding is here to stay, and the sooner we adapt, the better will be. Let me know in the comments. Have you tried vibe coding yet? What tools are you using? Do you feel like a coder or more of a creative director now? If you found this interesting, the next episode will go deeper into how to learn vibe coding the right way and avoid becoming just another AI prompt monkey. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.